before I even start, if you're new here, help me out. Click subscribe, whatever. Eat some potatoes. And what I got for this video, I picked up these on Amazon. I bought one of those little grow kit things for growing vegetables. Is it supposed to be part of my video? I don't know. I just figured, why not put it in the video? I bought my kids one of those, what do you call it? What is it called again? Little, they sell them everywhere, little grow lights. Little, why can't I think of the name? Hydroponic kits. It's pretty cool. We had what happened was we set it up in our kitchen, and the cats had it all set up. I figured out which vegetables are which. The only one I can figure out is the lettuce and the basil, because you can tell the smell. Other than that, the cats pulled them all. I put them all back in. I couldn't figure out what the rest were. But it's missing the sponges, so I ordered some more grow sponges, which are these little things. See? Oh, nasal things. See? Or I could use them as earplugs, maybe. Does it work? Oh yeah, it looks like a cone head. Maybe I can, what do you call it? Glue them all to my face. Look, I can become a unicorn. Anyway, there's 100 little sponges, and I guess there's a little, I don't know, scan with transparency. Vic VC. It's a little tiny card here if you want to scan with. Did I buy them from a reputable source? I have no idea. They were cheap. I bought them because they were cheap on Amazon. So yeah, do those grow out things. Funniest part is I don't even eat vegetables anymore. I eat all meat. Yeah. So if you're one of those carnivore dudes that eat all meat, yeah, join my channel. I like eating meat. I'm not even gonna make a thing about that. That's one thing I picked up. The other thing I picked up, I'll do two things in this video. Picked up a new vacuum hose for the. I'll show you. I have one of these suckers. It works okay. And I picked up a new one. I'll do a video taking it apart, putting it back together. It's I don't know if the cat chewed it or broke or something. It has tape on it. I'm not sure what kind of tape was put on it, but it's on it. And for some reason I want to go back. But anyway, it's not cooperating. Again, of course. What the hell's going on here? It was just on here. Now it doesn't want to go. So anyway, this thing has a problem and needs to be fixed. So I busted one. I tore one apart last time, thinking that they're no good. And this time I was like, you know what? It's $100 little spray thing. Does anybody sell parts for it? It's the only really thing that could break is this. And apparently, this is the same one. Yeah, same one. This is a new hose. It's got a wire inside, so I guess I gotta. What is it? Is it a wire inside? I don't know. There's a hose there, and this end. So I guess it's bleep bleep. How does it work? Weird. So anyway, I'm gonna fix that this week. It's I should actually show you it. Here's the end of the hose. Bunch of hose. I don't know if it's I don't think there's any electrical on it. I don't think so. I think this little wire in here is electrical and it does something. No idea. Oh well. Anyway, that's pretty much it. That's it for the non-tooly stuff. This is a styrofoam. And if you keep watching my channel, you see some other stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me if you liked the video.